Good evening, everybody. It's currently 7 p.m. and I'm having a coffee because I have a massive headache. Anyways, I have fun plans for tomorrow. You already know what's happening. I booked a flight. This time we are going to Dublin. The flight is at 5:45 a.m. so that's gonna be tough. That's why I'm drinking coffee. I need to head to the airport around midnight because there are no other buses going later than that. Then I'm coming back on Friday, so I will stay there the whole day. Really random and spontaneous. I wanted to tell something funny that happened this morning. I set my alarm at 5:45 to check in for the flight, and then I went back to sleep. But I must have checked in half asleep because I remembered my seat being 36C. Then I went to look at the app this afternoon to see my ticket, and it's 3D. So I'm at the front of the plane, not at the back, and I'm also D, not C. Yeah, I must have done my check-in half asleep. We'll just chill those last few hours at home, and then I will head to the airport and I will see you there probably. I just changed. This is my outfit and I'm ready to go. I will go in a while, like half an hour, but I got ready. Everything is packed. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm starting to get so excited. I haven't traveled in a few months. I got used to travel quite often. I am officially ready to go. Just made it to the airport. Now let's find a chill spot. It's 2:30. Security finally opened and I'm going in. I went through security. Now I'm going to the gate. I'm bright and early. I was one of the first to go to security. I feel kind of delusional, but I'm so excited. They actually changed the layout of the airport, and now you have to walk so much to reach the gates. Before it used to be very quick, but now it's like a 15 minutes walk. You have to go also through passport control. Flights to Dublin are in that section, even though you technically don't need a passport. It's in a B terminal. Just landed in Ireland. Now let's go to the toilet first. This airport doesn't end. I've been walking for like 20 minutes and it's still going. After a long way on the bus, almost an hour, finally arrived at the city center, and now I'm going to check out the Trinity College first. I reached the Trinity College. It's here. It's very beautiful, and luckily it's not raining now, so it's perfect. Now I'm just walking around the city center and I want to head out towards the Temple Bar because I want to take a picture there now that it's not raining, because in the afternoon it's supposed to rain, so I'm just going in that direction. I'm passing through Arcade Street, but now it's kind of closed, like nothing is open. I'm really liking it so far. I really want to get a scone, but I'm gonna get it later. They looked really good, so I'm gonna come back. got a picture by the temple bar and also purchased a postcard. So now I'm going towards the Wall of Love and then a few churches nearby. Now I'm going towards the Dublin castle and the weather so far has been good. 10 a.m. and I can't believe how much I have already done in like 2 hours. It started raining. I think that now that I'm in this area, I'm gonna get a sausage roll from a bakery that's here and I wanted to try. And then I'm taking the bus and going to one museum. I have 3 museums I wanted to see. Let's see how much I can see of them. Here's the castle behind me. Sausage roll review, it was very good and it was hot, so this was exactly what I needed. Now I'm taking the bus to the National Gallery. Now I'm going to the National Museum of Ireland, which is nearby, 5 minutes walk. Now I'm off to the shopping mall and I want to get something to eat because it's past noon and I'm hungry. Two scones, one plain and one with raisins, and it was very good but a bit dry. I was looking for a flavor of monster that I don't have, but I have to look in another store because here they didn't have it. I'm off to visiting another museum, then I swear I'm done with museums. By the way, I've never seen people drive in the rain so much. It's raining and people don't care, don't even have umbrellas, like they just walk in the rain. It's such a weird thing to see because in Italy if it's raining no one goes outside and everyone is kind of intimidated by the rain. The bus again and I'm going to see the Guinness factory just from the outside and then I will go back to the central area, I think. Multiple grocery stores later, I finally found a monster. Also I grabbed a snack to try. And now I'm just enjoying the city center.
Absolutely amazing. Are you in for a real treat this evening? And it's all with thanks to Dublin City Council as well. Are we ready to go? Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Yeah! Are you really ready? Yeah! Okay, give them a round of applause. Electrat!
I'm really struggling to find a place to sit and stay because I don't want to buy anything, because I don't want to eat anything. I have pretty bad stomachache, I think. I just feel bloated and I really don't like eating anything, but at the same time I don't know where to sit and where to stay because it's cold outside. Found this mall with some limited seating, but at least some. Now I want to check out Tesco. I got a bit hungry and they were reducing stuff at Tesco, so I got reduced scone and some cheddar to try. It was really a good offer. The time has come. I'm going back to the airport. Could stay longer if I wanted because it's not late, but I'm honestly freezing and the malls are gonna close in a while. It's raining, it's a mess, and I've been non-stop since this morning, so I'm in need of a break. Just made it to the airport. That's actually a bit melted, but that's a bar I wanted to try. It's called Double Decker. I liked the name. Chocolate and marshmallow. It's past midnight and I'm trying to go to security if I can, because I just want to go to the airside. It will be a lot better, I think. Also, I forgot to tell you this, but I really love Dublin. It gave me such New York vibes for some reason. It reminded me a lot of New York. Now 2 a.m. and I'm still not able to get through security, unfortunately. And I'm so tired, I can't wait to sleep. It's almost 3 a.m. so I hope to find it open now. Finally made it. Now I'm going to the gate. Also, I have to say that it's way hotter here because outside I was freezing. I know this jacket is not appropriate for January and that's my fault, but I was freezing. This airport reminds me a lot of Arlanda in Stockholm because it's huge and confusing. Also, the structure is kind of the same and there are a lot of flights. Like, I was surprised, a huge timetable with flights all departing within the morning. This morning the flight was very smooth. No, yesterday morning. Wait, I'm confused. Well, the flight to come here was very smooth, so I hope for the same in a few hours. If one gets the gate wrong, is screwed because it's at least 15 minutes to come here from the other side of the airport. And I can see the planes. I hope to spot some airlingus. So it's now a few hours later. I got home, I showered, and now I'm in bed because I'm tired. And I had an amazing time in Dublin. Really loved it, and I will go back for sure to see more of Ireland. I don't know if I told you already, but it kind of reminded me of New York, of some neighborhoods of New York. I really liked it. It was a very vibrant city, full of life. I even stumbled upon a concert. And now I will rest, and I shall see you later for exciting plans.